Oh. Let's stop at 15 or something.
Okay. I didn't know if it has a cap for how long you can do a video. So
I don't. Yeah. Exactly. Yeah.
Better weapons.
So all across the country.
Better muskets.
You can say that
again. Yep. Better Air Force. No, there's no Air Force. We got those wooden planes. Yeah, I know.
Some more ships.
More ships.
And guns.
Better ships.
Better ships.
And how does this all have to work with your money?
I want to take
Better
And then
better resources.
you have prep here first.
Yes. Yeah, I do.
Yeah, I was like, I went to Einsworth class first. I wasn't sure where your room was.
Yeah.
He's like, oh, he's on prep. You might not even be up there. And I'm like, oh.
Where did you go? Yeah.
So I observed outsiders for.
Yeah.
No, that's our precedent.
tanks.
What? They haven't even paid them.
You said airplanes.
Yeah, I guess that's what my
Foresight.
I'm finished. On point. You didn't even help. You were back.
What's that?
So they come.
This is a rambunctious class.
So.
Alright, 2 more minutes, guys.
Yeah, we're gonna buy people.
More people than
Do you want to do more high school or more junior high?
What's that?
You want to do more junior high or high school?
Well, I'm getting certified for secondary, so more than K6 through senior.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not sure.
We're gonna pay.
I don't know if you can, but they kind of put
No,
me
I
on.
don't. Put you wherever you want, yeah.
But no, I figure I'll be certified by kind of fall semester.
Yeah.
And I'll probably spend half a semester substituting wherever I can get.
Okay.
And then probably spend that summer applying to places. Is the plan. Alright, one more minute. Everybody got one? Everybody got a list, any?
Yes.
You guys need a little time?
Do we all agree on that? Oh, but we know you're.
Alright. Now, I want one person from each group to do the one that's gonna read the, Give me one.
One of them?
Yeah.
Joey's name.
You never said
Military.
Okay, so the bank says you need money to build a military. That is correct. They've got a point. Let's do military over there. What do you guys have to say about that?
Read one.
Just kidding. Just come up with a reason for why we need the military.
Better weapons. Just say better weapons.
protection. Or just say that base.
Better weapons.
Better weapons. Okay. So the military says better weapons, which is true. Right? Any military needs good weapons in order to defend itself, especially during this time. We're about to go into the Industrial Revolution, kind of already in it. And what that means is we're going to have a lot of different ways for people to fight wars against each other. So yeah, better weapons. That's a good one. All right, what do we got for infrastructure over here?
We need money because we provide transportation all across the country for resources, military, and personal goods.
Perfect. So, probably one of the most important aspects of any civilization, you gotta be able to get to each other, right? So, infrastructure, good one. All right, another one for the bank.
You need money to make roads and infrastructure.
All right. You guys will notice as we go through this, the bank kind of has the card on all your topics, right? All your reasons. And there's a good reason for that. But yeah, you need the bank for infrastructure. Let's do military. Give me another one.
Beat one off of there.
Better ships. Okay, so better Navy, right? Now, at this time, Navy is everything, right? We don't have
I'm the one who sent.
we don't have airplanes, right? We have boats. Now, what do we do when we make goods? Anybody know?
So,
Where do we sell them?
Other countries.
China.
Other countries, yeah. So we sell them to other countries. But what happens if those ships aren't protected? What if the trade lanes aren't protected?
People go to the war.
Yeah, what are they called?
Pirates.
Pirates, right? So you need protection from pirates. Now,
Know that.
especially at this time, there's a lot of
money.
what are called British privateers, right? These are basically people who are working for the British government but claim not to be. And they're raiding ships, taking everything they can. Also, there's just a lot of pirates as well. And just protection from other countries, right? So yeah, Navy's hugely important. Infrastructure.
this is usually money to build more railroads and roads to make roads great out.
Yep. So all the railroads and roads that need to be created, it's not all about just getting them to other countries. Railroads can just help link factories together, right? Where do we make cotton in the United States?
Fields. Right there.
Yeah, where at though? Down south. Yep. So where do we have to get it when we actually have the cotton? So we actually send our cotton north, send it to the Midwest. It goes to a factory, and then the factory weaves it into clothing or anything really. And we need what to do that?
Money to ship it.
And?
Money to ship the cotton.
And railroads, right?
Yeah, money to create all
That's true. Okay, bank, you got another one for me?
Yeah, we have a lot.
Okay.
You need money to get weapons and
Yes, so money to improve the military, that is true. So we kind of covered that.
And for a bank, you need people to put money in there.
What's another reason we need a strong military? We got improved weapons and a navy. Better training? Okay, I'm gonna let that one go because you do need better training, that's true. And you have to pay people to train people, right? Okay. Alright, give me infrastructure, you got one more?
If we can't get enough money to be able to supply military weapons and other resources.
Yeah, exactly. So we do actually need infrastructure to be able to supply the military with the things they need, right? Does anybody know what we have all around the country? We have them in Texas, North Carolina, Florida.
actually stop.
We got military bases, right?
I couldn't think of
Yeah. What do we have to be able to do with the military bases? Yeah, we gotta be able to send them supplies so they can protect themselves. Right? So again, help with the infrastructure. Okay, banking, give me all the ones you got left.
All of them?
Yeah.
You need money to buy food, to get resources from other countries, to build structures, money to farm, and, yeah.
Okay,
And money to live.
so that's good. One that we didn't cover is money to build infrastructure, right? I'm sorry, money to build buildings. So state-funded construction. China's really well known for this. They invest a ton in building their own buildings and things like that. Sometimes they're not even filled with people, but they still do that because it helps their economy. But yes, we would start funding projects to build buildings, to build different state buildings, all different kinds of things. Military, you got anything left? Yeah.
Swords, horses, muskets, federal military, and transportation to get across the country.
Okay, I'm gonna include one for that, okay? The weapons one is kind of rehashed from the last one.
What about the armor?
The transport, we'll do transporting one. I'll give you two. How about that? Okay? Infrastructure, how many you got left?
We need to be able to send information to military to move them to other places.
Alright, I'm gonna give you one for that. Now, who's got the most?
We do.
Why,
No,
why does the bank have the most?
Because we're better.
Because you need the bank for everything.
Yes, you need the bank for everything, okay?
Because we support everything.
This is the key to a strong federal government and a strong country. Is we need a bank for literally everything. It's why banks are all over the place now. So, yeah, exactly. So, last thing here, guys. I've got, now, some of you are gonna have to share, sorry about that, I don't have enough printed sheets. I'm sure you guys are gonna be really upset if you can't fill it out, but on the back side, you guys are gonna have a short quiz, multi-choice. Work together, do whatever you want to answer them. And then there is just a short essay question to answer as well.
I'm really bummed out, I can't do it.
You guys have any questions you can ask?
I'm really bummed out. Yeah, man.
B.
Zane. You better.
So if I stop recording,